The real reason you feel like a morning zombie in the morning until lunch is because you're living in hormonal overlap. You're forcing your body to wake up while your brain is still pumping sleep hormones. This usually happens because your internal orchestra is out of tune. Imagine your body is a massive symphony with trillions of tiny musicians, your cells, all trying to play the same piece of music. Without a conductor, it's just chaotic noise. Early morning sunlight is that conductor. When bright, full-spectrum light hits your retina in those first few minutes of the day, it sends a direct ping to that master clock in the brain, telling it to flip the switch. It screams to your system, the day has started, stop making melatonin and start pumping out cortisol. Now, I know cortisol has become a dirty word in the wellness world, associated with stress and belly fat, but we need to reframe that. This isn't the anxiety cortisol triggered by a work email. This is the get up and go cortisol. It's the natural energy that clears away morning grogginess, sharpens your focus, and primes your metabolism to burn fuel. If you miss this light trigger and stay in a room with artificial lights, your body stays in a state of hormonal overlap. You're still producing sleep hormones while trying to force yourself to be awake. That's why you feel like a ghost until lunch. Your morning coffee should actually be a morning sunbee.
Within the first few minutes of waking up, you need to get natural sunlight into your eyes for about 5 to 10 minutes.